Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Abdul Rahman and I am pursuing my BTech 4th year in Weltech University and I am from CSC background and my teammates are Jagadish and Nitin. So we three members have decided to do a project based on machine learning and which will be helpful for the society and the people. So our project is prediction of cardiac attack with clinical data using machine learning. So our project is basically concentrating on cardiac attack patients. So during the COVID time, many patients were died due to cardiac attack. So to reduce the count of patients who are expiring due to cardiac attack, we have chosen this project. So we will collect the clinical data, the data about the patient, their personal data, and also about their generations, the future generations and their past generations, their parents and their grandparents, all their data will be collected so that we can predict the chances of getting cardiac attack of the patient in accurate manner. So the personal data will contain about their sugar levels and their blood pressure levels and all kind of this personal data will be collected and used to predict the chances of having any cardiac attack in future or not. So we are using 6 algorithms which are support vector mission, k nearest neighbor, naive bias, random forest, decision tree, and finally logistic regression. So all these 6 algorithms are used to predict the chances of getting patients cardiac attack or not. So this all 6 algorithms are used in our code. So we are this is the data sets we are using. So their age and their gender and their cholesterol level, their sugar level and their blood pressure level, all these values are collected in our dataset. As you know, machine learning is basically used on the historical data. So this is the historical data of the patients and this data is used to run in our code. So this dataset is run in our code. So let's run our code now. So we are using this code which is very lengthy, so it will take some time. So now we have to give the inputs on in our code. So let's say the patient's age is around 25 and gender as female and their chest pain type as 1 atypical angina and their resting blood pressure, let's say it's around 140 and their cholesterol level, let's say it is like 120 and their fasting blood sugar above 120 mg by dl or not, like true or false. So let's say it's false. Next, let's give here as 0 normal value and heart rate maximum, let's give like 120. Next, let's give as no. The scope of the peak, let's give this as a flat value 1. Next, this one, let's give this as normal 1, g1, yeah, 1. And now we have got the output. So the output is here, as we have given the age as 25 and gender as female and this cholesterol level, everything which is given as given the output as the person does not have a cardiac attack. So based on the inputs which we have given, the our code has predicted that the person will not have any cardiac attack in the future. So thank you everyone.